Welcome back to the Toy Barn. My name is Kathy. Happy day, guys. I hope you had a perfect 4th of July. I know we have. So today I am going to share with you the 11 items that had been pending for July 5th on eBay. So this was a total of 11 items on eBay that we had pending for July the 5th. We do have pending items for the 6th and the 7th, but I'm just going to share with you the ones in the 5th and go over those with you. So before we begin, if you like the video, go ahead and like it. Comments, we love them. We don't delete them. And if you haven't already subscribed to the Madcap Toys family, we would love for you to be a part of us. And then hit the bell for all notifications, because each and every time we upload content, you're going to be the first to know. All right. So again, we're going to share with you 11 items. Like I said, eBay has been doing really well for now, even through the power outage we had, and continuing on from there. So I wanted to make sure, Darren wanted to make sure that we had told you all of these items that we had that not only went on a postal truck when we had the Phantom video the other day, as well as this. We want to make sure each and every one's noted, because each and every buyer is important to us. So we want to say our thanks by showing it in our What Sold video. But again, like I said, we do have some Poshmark pending orders, some more Mercari pending orders, and some more eBay pending orders. We're going to show you the 11 items that are due on Wednesday, July 5th. So let's begin here. Now this item right here, we had to take offline and then repost some way somehow. I don't know, when we purchased this from a flea market, we noticed that the hand, I'm going to show you the hand, was probably glued on or something. I don't know what had happened, but anyway, it wasn't connected when we found it, so we took it offline and then we relisted it, showing it as parts. So this is the 1973 Mego Chief Sitting Bull, and it's going out to James. Hi James, for $10.98 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, James. And then, of course, we're always selling comics here. If you haven't watched our show yet, we always have them bagged and boarded and in a Gemini mailer, cardboard mailer, because it protects the comic pretty much and keeps it from damage as much as possible. So we always have done that for a few years now. This is the 1995 Image Comics Spawn Blood Feud #1 comic book. And it's going out to Thomas. Hey, Thomas, for $4.98. Thank you so much. That's going out to you on Wednesday after the 4th. And then next, a really pretty here, something that I had collected at a antique mall for a while. I was doing some collecting on Barbies to up our ante in our collections, and this beauty had been part of that collection. This is the Mattel Solo in the Spotlight, if I can show you that. Solo in the Spotlight Barbie. And it's going out to Janet. Hi, Janet, for $22.99. Now, the box looks like it's got a little bit of wear and so forth. It's been, it's got some wear on it, you know, but honestly, it's beautiful. It's nearly 30 years old. Perfect. And it's going out to you, Janet. Thank you so much. And of course, we couldn't continue the video without talking about Transformers. More than meets the eye. All right. Transformers. This is the Age of Extinction Autobot Drift, and it's going out to Elena. Hi, Elena, for $24.99. Now, we have some Transformers, not only, of course, loose. We have them on card. We also have them in box as well. Check them out in our eBay, Mercari listings, and Poshmark in our links below in our description. Thank you so much for that. And then, of course, we have all kinds of loose figures and all kinds of different totes that we have in our collections. We have right here, if you can see them, this is the 1994 Toy Biz Fantastic Four Dr. Doom. And it's going out to Alton for $14.76. Thank you so much for that. Look, he's got a weapon. Now, not all the time are you going to see many action figures, vintage action figures with weapons. So this is pretty key and a very great pickup. Thank you so much. It's going out to you, Alton. And next up, I had to do a little digging for this one. One time in the dark, couldn't find it during our power outage. And then next couple of times, I looked in a couple of other totes and then finally back to the other one. I finally found it. The reason being is because he has all of his items here and they were not in his hands. So it was very hard to kind of defer because in our tote we have lots and lots of G.I. Joes and Chat Mays and all that. So this is the 2000s Chat May, very unique with the weapons and the accessories, by the way. Chat May Treasure Hunter, and it's going out to Damien. Hi, Damien, for $10. Really nice. And going out to you. A lot of Chat May and G.I. Joe collectors out there. Really enjoy that. And of course we get Target buys, we get Target pallets, we get Target retail arbitrage. This little lady has been with us for about a year or so, been a little bit, and she also had a friend as well. But she had become adopted over the last year. But this one is our perfectly cute My Sweet Beach Baby. How cute! It's perfect for the summer. She's the brunette doll. It's going out to Amy. Hi, Amy, for $18.99. She's got the little pacifier. She's got the little star there. So cute. It's going to be fun in the sun. Amy, I hope whoever you're giving this to enjoys it very much. Thank you so much for that. And then we found this nice guy right here. He's big, but he's wonderful. He's from the Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous series. As you can see, I'm pressing. You can see him open and close his mouth there. He's pretty cool. And this is the Jurassic World Albertosaurus dinosaur, going out to Brenda. Hey, Brenda, for $59.99. Really, really nice. So if you're collecting Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, you got to understand there's different types of series. In this case, this is the Camp Cretaceous series. So even if you have already an Albertosaurus, you may not have it in the other series, go ahead and collect them. And especially if you're doing a reselling business, Jurassic World's not a bad buy, guys. You can get the different series, and the more older ones you get, the more they're worth. We had one that went out the door that we probably paid at a retail arbitrage probably about $15. Sold it for $250 because of the age and how early the series was. It was fantastic. Great profit level. Really, really good. So thank you so much, Brenda. It's going out to you. And then more comics, guys. We have the 1992 Marvel Comics Cage. It's the number 4 series. Really nice series there. And it's going out to EJ. Hi, EJ. For $7. So really, really nice. Almost 32 years old. About 31, 32 years old. And really, really good conditions. Going out to you. Thank you so much. And this time we sold some NASCAR. This one I think Daren had in his NASCAR buy about 6 years ago. And it's a really, really nice one. Really, really good box. Shows some wear, but you know, it has some age on it. And this is the Racing Champions 1994 Rumble number 70 going out to Tony. Hi, Tony. You got a great deal for $10. Really, really nice. Like I said, nice box. And nice vehicle going out to you. Thank you so much. And it looks like that perhaps the person that collected it may have opened it, but like I said, very, very good. Doesn't look like it's been really displayed or anything. So great, great stuff. And finally, here we have the 2013 Hot Wheels Highway City 71 Mustang. Funny car. It's funny. And it's going out to Francesca for $6.78 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Francesca. So I believe that I got all of them, guys. Let me look right here. Let's count them, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I've got all of them. So 11 items. Again, like I said, guys, we've got some pending orders more for the July 6th and 7th from eBay. We've got 1 or 2 on Poshmark. I think we have 3 on Mercari, and they keep coming in. As far as how we're doing in the month so far, we are doing double than what we normally do daily, and that is exciting. We started out with a little over $200 on the first, and then we went up to nearly $400 on the second, on Sunday. And then so far we're over 200 a day. We might get to 300 a day, just depends on the time that we have left. But we're just going. So we're projecting, so to speak, that we will probably double, not double, but time and a half, let's put it there that way. Time and a half on maybe 150% on what we did last month, if we trend and continue to trend this high that we're on. Now, as you guys know, and your resellers too, server issues, you know, stuff like that, everything that everybody talks about, you know, could always come into play. And power outages, right? But hopefully not. But if we trend like we're doing, we're going to actually have some beginning of fourth quarter money in the third quarter. And that's super exciting, because that will help generate you know, more sales and get us to the up and up for us to pass what we did in the last couple of years. That is our primary goal at this time. So I'm very excited about that. It's great. I know it's just been good, so we've been keeping on it. We've did a little bit of listing before the holiday, and we're continuing to move. I'm continuing to you know, get these packed. I'm going to have these packed for the 5th, and we've got more orders that we're working on for the future dates. So exciting. And hopefully when the humidity here is pretty intense, like in this barn alone, it's not really much outside, but for the barn alone, it gets a little bit warm if you have the door shut. We try to keep it as cool as much as possible. But it's the humidity, not really the heat. But it can get hard. So, but we would eventually like to, even after our August yard sale, is to try to maybe redo some of our shelving, see if we can fit more room with things, because we're going to be bringing lots more of our unlisted pile in here as we move along. We haven't shown you, but Daren has like case packs of Barbies. We have case packs of our generation Target palette girls, and more. We have, I think, a case packs of Funkos, and the list goes on from there, just from pallet buying and so forth, not including a lot of the clothing we have. So we're excited about that, and we are ready to rock when it comes to fitting this in and moving some of the older stuff out, bringing the new stuff in. And it's exciting, and I'm excited to say we even have more pallet items that are pending orders right now along with the toys. So it's the best of both worlds. So I'm not going to keep you guys. That's basically all I had. Again, tell me how things are going on your side. This is the beginning of the third quarter. Let me know how your third quarter is going so far, because by the time you see this video, we're already going to be in to that first week and see how things are going. Tell me how you're trending. Would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you guys have any more ideas or have questions and want to expound on us to explain them better or expound on those, let us also know in the comments below. Ideas are great. We love to hear from you. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.